Hi guys, so if you saw my video a couple of weeks ago, I showed you how to properly temper chocolate. So today I'm going to show you how to use that chocolate to make some really cool chocolate decorations. So the first one we're going to go for is the scrunched up like flags, I like to call them. So we're going to start off with a piece of greaseproof paper and you're going to scrunch it up into a ball and then flatten it out onto your worktop. Then I'm taking some tempered chocolate, I've gone for milk chocolate, and I'm just going to pour that all the way over my sheet of greaseproof paper. Now, if you want to learn how to temper chocolate, you can click the link on the screen now. Once you've poured on your chocolate, you're going to spread that out until it's nice and smooth. And then we're going to take some pegs, and I'm just going to pinch a bit of the parchment paper and then peg it into place. And this is going to create some really nice like shape to our chocolate, so it's not just flat. Once you've got the shape that you would like, you want to just set that off at room temperature to set, not in the fridge because it'll bloom, just set it at room temperature. The next thing we're going to do is so simple. We're going to use bubble wrap and we're just going to pour the chocolate onto a piece of bubble wrap. Now you need to be careful here, you want to make sure your bubble wrap's clean. You need to wash it thoroughly and then it needs to be dry. If there's any moisture on that bubble wrap, it's going to cause the chocolate to seize, so it needs to be completely dry. So it really is as simple as pouring over the chocolate and spreading it out. Then give it a few taps on the bench to work out any air bubbles and chuck it off to the side to set. The next thing we're going to go for is like a fancy chocolate decoration. So I've got my chocolate into a piping bag and I'm just going to pipe a line of chocolate. Now if you don't have a piping bag, you can sort of just spoon a line of chocolate. And then I'm taking an icing cone which has got these nice sharp teeth in it, and I'm just going to run the icing cone along that line of chocolate. Then you're just going to take your finger and you're just going to start at the top and pull all the way down, and then start at the top again and pull down on the other side, and it's going to create this really nice leaf shape. Then like the others, just put it off to the side to set. You can also do the quite iconic piping, so you just start with your piping bag and you're just going to pipe a sort of teardrop, then a fat teardrop, and then even fatter teardrop coming in. And this is quite an iconic sort of chocolate decorations that you find in quite a lot of like patisseries. So once your chocolate flag is set, you're just going to take the pegs off it and you just want to carefully sort of peel that parchment paper off. Now this is the hardest one to get off because there's quite a lot of like grooves that parchment paper is going to find itself into. So you just want to be patient and carefully peel it off. Now mine actually broke in two, but that's alright because you're not going to use a flag this big. You're probably going to want to put it on cupcakes or something, so you're going to have to break it up into little pieces either way. Now something that I absolutely love about chocolate is that it takes colour really well, especially gold luster dust. So with this flag I'm going to dust it all over with this gold luster dust, and you don't need to wet it or anything, just put the dust straight on and it'll stick, and it looks really cool. It looks like you've covered it in gold leaf. Now what I love about the flags is you've got two different options of what you're going to present. You can either have the smooth like wavy surface at the top, or if you go for the underneath, you're going to get that scrunched up design. Now our bubble wrap is set and you can just tell just by looking at the underneath how cool this is going to be. When we peel it off, we've got all those little grooves in our chocolate and it just looks amazing. Now our leaves have also set, and you want to be quite careful with these because they are quite fragile. So you just want to sort of like peel the parchment paper or silpat from underneath the leaf. Don't try and lift it off, take the parchment off the leaf. So now you know how to make these chocolate decorations, please go and make them and tag me in your photos on social media. All my social medias are on the screen now. If you have loved this video, you can give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. You can click here to see my last video and you can click here to see how to temper chocolate properly.